Namaskara parents, welcome back to Tiny Tots Kannada. In today's video, I will be explaining the LKG Kannada Final Exam question paper in a very easy and child-friendly way. Please watch the full video so your child can practice every question correctly. If you find this helpful, do like, share and subscribe to support my channel. Let's begin. So Kannada, first question will be write a to aha. So let's begin. A, I, E, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Aha. The second section will be write the missing letters. So the easy way to write the missing letter is just check from the first section. So what comes after A? After A comes A, I, U, Ru, A. After U, you can check the previous section. So it is U, Ru, A, I, O. Again after A, I, O, Au, Aha. The third section will be circle the same letter. So whatever is matching E, A, find A and circle that. U, Ru and A. Circle the matching one. Write the before, after and between letters. You can refer to the first section again to see what comes before Ru. So before Ru comes U. Before O comes O. Before U comes E. After I, O. After Au, After U comes Ru. What comes between I? After E comes E, I, O. Next section will be match the following. So it is Ili, Ili. Eni, Eni. Ele, Ele. Ungura, Ungura. Ane, Ane.